Welcome to this book review on the psychology of money by Morgan Housel. It remains one of the most discussed personal finance books in 2026, on Apple Books charts and across social media. Over 1 million copies sold worldwide. This video is for education only, not investment advice. Today we cover, first big idea, wealth is what you don't see. Being rich and being wealthy are not the same. Rich is the income and lifestyle people notice. Wealth is money you did not spend, savings, investments, and options for the future. Housel argues that people often destroy real wealth trying to look successful. The real goal. Second idea, luck and risk are both real, and both hide in the extremes. The most successful investor you see almost certainly had some luck. Failures often include bad luck or risks that were ignored. Housel warns against learning too much from outcomes alone. Stay humble. No strategy works in every. Third lesson, never enough. The biggest risk is often not the market but social comparison. When someone else earns more, many people take more risk, leverage, options, speculative bets, without understanding them. Housel says greed can destroy years of compounding in a single decision. Define your enough, how much income, corpus, and peace of mind you actually. Fourth idea, the power of compounding. Housel says good investing is mostly boring, long holding periods, low turnover, reasonable fees. Time beats timing. Small amounts invested consistently over decades matter more than picking the perfect entry. Investors who react to every headline are compounding's worst enemy. Fifth point, you do not need a specific reason to save. Savings are the gap between your income and ego-driven spending. Emergencies, job loss, and surprises are guaranteed in life. Housel says savings buy options, the ability to wait, say no, and seize opportunities. Sixth idea, room for error. Benjamin Graham's margin of safety applies beyond stocks to your whole financial life, portfolio, career, health, and family. Housel says survival is the most important skill in long-term investing. If you wipe out, compounding resets. Seventh lesson, the highest return on money is freedom. Housel says the highest form of wealth is control over your calendar. A salary pays income but also sells your time. Investing's real payoff is future choice, what work to do, who to spend time with, when to step back. Financial recap. The core message of the psychology of money is that behavior matters more than intelligence in finance. Save without excuses, define your enough, respect luck and risk, and give compounding time. The book teaches through stories more than formulas, which is why retail investors connect with it. The full book has. That wraps our whiteboard recap of the psychology of money. Subscribe for more book reviews and daily market updates on TwoMinFinance. Comment which book we should cover next, Rich Dad Poor Dad, The Simple Path to Wealth, or Your Perfect Portfolio. This is education only.